To get started with the PresentPal for Google Slides add-on, open up Google Slides using Google Chrome on your Windows or Mac computer and tap Extensions, then Add-ons, and finally Get Add-ons. Search for PresentPal. It'll be the first one that comes up. To install the add-on, tap Install and then tap Continue. Now, let's install the PresentPal Chrome extension. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store and install the PresentPal Chrome extension. This will be useful later as it allows you to control your slideshow. Once the add-on and the extension is installed, refresh your browser and open the PresentPal for Google Slides add-on. Log in using the same account as your PresentPal app. Let's create a new deck using the add-in. Tap Add Deck. Give your deck a title and then tap Add Flashcard to start creating your PresentPal notes. Repeat this process until all of your notes are ready. Remember, you can also use the PresentPal app to edit your notes and rehearse your presentation too. With the PresentPal Google Slides add-on, you can also control your slideshow. To connect to your slideshow, make sure you're logged in to the PresentPal Google Slides add-on and the Chrome extension and begin your slideshow from the beginning. Then, using the PresentPal app, choose the deck of flashcards for this presentation. Tap Present and then tap Present with Slideshow. Google Slides on Windows or Mac will then appear. Tap this and you're ready to control your slideshow. As you move through your presentation, when you change flashcard, your slideshow also changes automatically, giving you more confidence as you progress through your presentation, as now there's one less thing to worry about.